Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create your TikTok account. So if you want to create your TikTok account, which is a very easy process, so here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store here. So if you are using your Android device, go for your Play Store. Once you are on your Play Store, you have to search for the TikTok here. Once you have searched for the TikTok, you have to download the TikTok on your device. If there is any update available, you can tap on the update option if you have already downloaded your TikTok. So after that, you have to launch the TikTok on your device. Once you have launched your TikTok here, so here you will see this interface. Once you are here, if you are new to your TikTok, you have to go for the phone number or you can continue with your email, Facebook or the Google account. So you have to choose your method here. You can sign up using your phone number by entering your phone number and tap on the send code to receive a verification code. Also, you can sign up with your Google account. Just tap on that and scroll down and choose your account here. Once you have choose your account, you have to choose your birth date here. After that, go for the next option and go for the OK option here. And they will loading and you have to set up your profile here. Just like this. You can change your name and go for the continue option. After that, you will be successfully logging to your TikTok account. So this is the simple step how you can create your TikTok account. You can navigate to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of this screen, and you can see your profile here. So this is the simple step how you can create your TikTok account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.